prescribed. And take your appropriate seats and position wherever you are. Thank you. So to start officially our program, let us invoke the presence of the Almighty God. May I call on Miss Sheila Stavillo, the Treasurer of BUOU Student Council for the academic year 2024-2025. Please, ma'am, lead us the prayer. Thank you, Ma'am Stavillo. Please remain standing for the national anthem, which will be presented through the audiovisual presentation. Doc, mo ba, sir? Doc mo ba, sir? Kindly play the national anthem, sir.
pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, elas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa dikit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagagang putok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinatang tulak, awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magtitindig. Lumalang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
We will now sing the Bicol University hymn. Please remain standing and join us in singing the Bicol University hymn, presented by an audiovisual presentation. Sir Mobo, can we play the BU hymn for the later part of the program? Okay.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth.
At this juncture, I'd like to call the meeting to order by the authority vested in me by the outgoing president, Sir Ian Paulo Espadilla. The Bicol University Open University Student Council, I hereby call this turnover and oath-taking ceremonies to order. To formally welcome us all and to give this opening address, may I call on Dr. Ramon T. De Leon, the advisor of BOU Student Council. Sir?
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for all that are present here in this gathering. It is a very momentous occasion for us at the Bicol University Open University as the new administration of the Student Council assumes their responsibility officially as the leadership is being turned over to the new set of officers. So this is another milestone for our unit, and that I hope that the new administration or leadership will have to um, perform or even outperform yung mga nauna nating um, set of officers. So that will be a challenge. Mamaya, mas may challenge pa akong ibibigay sa inyo. So for the meantime, welcome and thank you very much for your presence. Joseph.
Thank you, Sir Mon. As we move forward with our program, let's take a moment to let's now proceed to the changing of officers to be administered by order to be. Let's invite Dr. Ramon T. De Leon and current advisor of the Open University Student Council for the presentation of the outgoing officers and incoming officers.
Okay, so continue with our program this afternoon. We may present you to officers here. Our new elected president is Dr. Froilan D. Mobo. And then we have Mr. Luel Ibis Obrero, and as our vice president, and Ms. Preciosa Alpajaro Banania, our secretary. Then we have Ms. Sheila Estadillo, our treasurer. We have Mr. Mamerto T. Rojas, auditor. Mr. Mark Kenneth Guanizo, our new PIO. And Ms. Mary Ann Bartolata Guerrero, our business manager. And we have Miss Christine Brigola as another business manager. Okay, so this is our new sets of officers to be inducted to office this afternoon.
Thank you, Sir Mon. Let's now proceed to the induction of these officers. May I call on Dr. Benedicto B. Balilo Jr., the Dean of the BOU, to administer the induction, and Dr. Froilan Mobo, the incoming president of the BUSC for academic year 2024-25, to lead the induction. Please give a round of applause to our set of officers. Doc Mobo, sir. Could you open your mic, sir? Hello, Doc Mobo, sir. Doc Mobo, sir. Could you open your mic, sir? Can you hear us, sir?
Yes, I can hear. Yes, hello. Okay, man. Is it my turn na po?
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations. Oo.
So let's now proceed to the turnover of given medallion and a mallet. The symbolic turnover of this mallet will now take place. Let us now welcome the representative of the outgoing and the incoming officers. Let's welcome Ms. Fatima Zenarosa, Secretary of BOU Student Council for academic year 2023. Dr. Froilan Mobo, the incoming president, along with Ms. Preciosa A. Bananya, incoming secretary for the academic year 2024-25, and the vice president, coming vice president, Mr. Noel Obrero. Okay. I, the business manager of the Bicol University Open University Student Council for the academic year 2023, as the power vested in me by the president of the B Student Council of 2023, I do hereby turn over this table to you. It's a symbol of authority, wield it unwaveringly yet justly, with courage and humility, determination and compassion. As you accept this cable and the authority of the accompanies it, do so with a commitment to these principles. May God help you with all your undertakings. Sir?
Froilan Mogo, President of BOOU Open University Student Council for the year 2024, do hereby accept the gavel, symbol of authority, with the organization's tenets expressed in the Constitution and bylaws as my guide, and do with blessings of the Almighty. It is my covenant to wield this gavel unflinchingly but righteously, with courage but with humility, and finally with determination but with compassion and understanding. So be it.
Next, we have now the turnover of documents. I invite Ms. Fatima Senarosa, the outgoing secretary, and Ms. Preciosa Bananya, the incoming secretary, to come forward for the turnover. By the power vested in me by the secretary of the outgoing secretary of the BOU Student Council 2023, may I read? It has been an honor and privilege to serve as the 2023-2024 Secretary of the Bicol University Open University Student Council. Throughout by my tenure, I have strived to uphold the values and objectives of our organization, and I am grateful for the support and cooperation I have received from all of you. Today, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce our newly elected Secretary, Ms. Preciosa A. Bananya, and have a full confidence in your abilities and dedication to continue the important work of this council. As I pass the responsibilities of this office, I'd like to present you with the official records and documents of the council. These are the tools and the history that will guide you in your role. And unquote.
Thank you, sir. I am deeply honored to accept this role and responsibilities that come with it. I am committed to serving the Bicol University Open University Student Council to the best of my abilities, and I will strive to uphold the mission, declaration of purpose, and objectives of our organization. I look forward to working with all of you and contributing to our collective success. Thank you for entrusting me with this important position. Thank you, everyone, for your support and confidence. Together, we will continue to make a positive impact.
Again, may I read? as for the powers vested upon me by the outgoing treasurer, and I quote, "It has been a privilege to serve as the 2023-24 treasurer of the Bicol University."
Ako na po.
Ikaw na pala. Diyan ka pala, sir. Sorry. Diyan ka pala.
Always present. Sorry na.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay
Go
po.
ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Ayun. So, it has been a privilege to serve as the 2023-2024 treasurer for the Bicol University Open University Student Council. I have worked diligently to manage and safeguard our financial resources. Today, I am pleased to introduce our newly elected treasurer, Sheila E. Estavillo. I trust that you will handle this responsibility with integrity and dedication. But before that, can I present the financial records before I turn over? Okay, so allow me to share my screen for a while so that we are present today while we are having our turnover. So these are the financial statement, the income, not income, but the inflows and outflows of the student council. So on Tuesday, July 4, 2023, we bought pens and mugs for outgoing officers, total of 1,190, care of Miss Juvel. Token for speaker frame convenience fee, 1,510 via GCash, courtesy of Sir Ian. Gift wrap and transportation, we have 308 pesos, courtesy of our business manager, Joseph Landagan. July 8, wine and beverages, bought in 7-Eleven, yours truly. Gasoline expenses, we have 200, signature stamp, 420 pesos via GCash. We also have previous council office reimbursements, so 1,630. We also have an expense, accumulated snacks for 3 meetings, 1,432, courtesy of Pres Ian and JC. We have also allotted budget for video editing, total of 1,500 pesos. Snacks, 500 pesos. On September 22, 2023, food for FASI and professors, 3,000 pesos. Cupcakes for Teachers Day, 540 pesos. Lunch for 26 BUOU BUOU anniversary, 2,472 pesos. Hard drive worth of 2,220 pesos under my custody. So I will give it to the office maybe next week to be given to the newly elected officers. We have Dean's birthday surprise. We have 2,655. Meeting snacks of 250 on July 27. Second semester preparation dinner, 2,424. Second semester orientation food, 3,312. Second semester video editor payment, 1,200. BUOU insurance, 266 students plus 30 pesos transfer fee worth of 5,320 pesos. We have meeting with Dean Snacks, 612 pesos. Diploma jacket, 600 pesos. Food for FASI preparation of BUOU SE election, 1,986 pesos. And we also have BUOU election snacks and lunch, 5,582 pesos. So these are the expenses of the student council. Let us proceed with the inflows. So we have the allotted fund or yung natirang fund ng dating student council before us, the 2022-2023 student council. We have 4,551 51.30 pesos handed over by the previous student council treasurer, Miss Shoni. And we have excess BU OU Outreach Fund, 2,109. So we have collection from MM, 4,126, Masok, 2,250 pesos. By the way, these are from the previous school year. And we have Maelm collection, 2,225. And we have MA Social Studies collection. We have 750. And the rest, nandiyan na po yung mga collection. Ayan. So si Mr. Sakayan is, I think, from... I-edit ko na lang to. Meron siyang isang program. Di ko na lang nalagay yung program. So total of 51,966.30 pesos. Our expenses is 43,531.6 pesos. So we have a total available fund of 8,434.70 pesos. Okay, so the receipts are already attached here. Okay, again, with great pride and joy to have our new incoming student council treasurer. Let us all welcome her first address. Thank you po. Ay, may mga questions po tungkol doon? I'll take it as a none. But if there are questions,
I-chat na lang
kindly
later.
message me. Okay po. Thank you.
I am honored to accept this role and the responsibilities that come with it. I am committed to managing our council's finances with transparency and accountability. To our BOOU Student Council Advisor, Dr. Ramondo Leon. So as our BOOU Dean, Benedicto Benito, thank you so much for the support and confidence. I look forward to working happily with you all. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Let's now proceed to the inaugural address of the elected president. Who will deliver his inaugural address. Let us now listen to Dr. Froilan Mobo, the president of the BUOU Student Council for academic year 2024-2025. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, my dear colleagues, the students, of course, and then, of course, the faculty and administration. So it is with immense gratitude and honor that I stand before you today as your newly elected student council president. I want to start by thanking everyone who believed in me and supported my campaign. Your confidence and trust in my leadership mean the world to me, and I promise to work tirelessly to meet and exceed your expectations. Of course, this election was not just about choosing a leader, it was about choosing a vision of our institution, vision of an institution where every student feels heard, valued, and empowered. A vision where we work together to create a community that is inclusive, supportive, and full of opportunities for growth and access. As I take on this role, I reminded for this incredible responsibility that comes with it. I am not just a representative of my ideas, but of all of yours as well. My mission is to ensure that every voice is heard, every concern is addressed, and every idea is given the consideration it deserves. To my fellow council members, I look forward to collaborating with each of you. Our collective effort is what will drive our initiatives and make our plans a reality. We have a diverse and talented team, and together we can achieve great things. To the student, my door is always open. I am here to listen to your ideas, your problems, and your aspirations, whether it's about academics, extracurricular activities, or policies. I want to hear from you. Your input is crucial in shaping the future of our university. Of course, to the faculty and staff, I pledge to work closely with you to enhance the educational experience for all students. I recognize and appreciate your dedication and hard work, and I am committed to fostering a positive and collaborative environment. Together, we focus on following key areas in enhancing, of course, academic support, which is we will work on providing additional resources, programs, and other things, and then promoting extracurricular activities, fostering a school cultural program, improving communication and community engagement. As we embark on this journey together, I ask for your support, your ideas, and your active participation. Let us work hand in hand to create an environment that we can still shall be proud of. So thank you once again for this incredible honor. Let's make this year of positive change and memorable achievements. Thank you.
Thank you to the newly pressed. Thank you, sir. To Dr. Mobo, thank you for your message. Let's now proceed to the message of our beloved Dean to impart his message. I call Dr. Benedicto B. Balilo Jr., the Dean of Bicol University, Open University. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you, Chef. Good afternoon po sa lahat. With the guidance of our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, the vice presidents, and of course the dean of the graduate school, Dr. Maria Jane Mascareñas. Of course, to the ever supportive student advisor, Dr. Ramon De Leon, to the newly elected OU student council officers and the outgoing officers, to our BU, OU core and affiliate faculty, partners, and to you, BU, OU friends. My congratulations and salute to the outgoing officers, and a warm welcome to the incoming officers. We are happy about what you guys have accomplished. You have shared an incredible journey, and dahil sa inyo, we built a strong network. Nakilala ko kayo at nakilala nyo rin ako. Thank you very much, guys, sa inyong full support, and thank you, Sir Ramon, our student advisor and coordinator, for guiding and assisting our officers. Ang iyong agimat towards our students are exceptional. Wala akong masabi as we are core and affiliate faculty in charge. Sa ating incoming officers, headed by our newly elected, the president, Dr. Froilan Mobo and the company, elected officers, congratulations once again. As we begin our new chapter, let us plan out potential activities, advocate student needs, extend assistance to our colleagues, and advance our academic learning through conferences, workshops, and seminars, but focus on preparing our thesis and dissertation outputs for publication in international or national refereed journals. Embrace the challenges, celebrate victories, and most importantly, have fun. This is the time to leave your mark to even greater heights, and to all the members of the organization, both the past and present. I urge you to continue being the driving force behind our organization. Stay involved, participate actively, and offer your fresh perspectives. Remember, this organization thrives on your collective energy and enthusiasm. I am encouraging all of you. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions, need advice, or simply want to share ideas. We are always one message away. Always remember, katuwang nyo ang BUOU sa anuman na tagumpay na gusto nyong marating. In behalf of BUOU, core and affiliate faculty in charge, congratulations and thank you. Thank you, Sir Joseph.
Thank you, Sir Malilos. As we near the conclusion of our ceremony, I would like to invite Ms. Preciosa Bananya, Secretary of BOU Student Council, for her closing remarks. Ma'am?
Our beloved BOU Dean, Dr. Benedicto Balilo Jr., our very supportive MLGM program and BOU Student Council Advisor, Dr. Ramonte De Leon, the esteemed BOU faculty members, fellow graduate students, thank you for joining us today for this meaningful Student Council turnover ceremony. We witnessed incredible dedication and leadership from our outgoing Student Council members over the past year. They have truly made a positive impact on the BOU community. Today, as the chapter for new leadership begins, we are excited about the fresh perspectives and ideas we will bring to BOU. For me, leadership is not just holding a position, it's about inspiring others, serving our community, and making a difference. Our student council members exemplify these qualities. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our Dean, Dr. Benedicto Balilo Jr. Thank you, sir, for giving us your time. To my incoming officers, headed by our incoming President, Dr. Froilan Mobo, it is with great humility that I thank all of you for your huge help and input in making this event possible. To my program and our BUOU Student Council Advisor, Dr. Ramonte De Leon, I would like to thank you for your utmost dedication in making ends meet for us, not only for this event, but for my entire stay in BOU. Today marks not just the end of one chapter, but the beginning of another in the history of BOU Student Council. Let's carry forward the spirit of dedication and service that has defined this council's tenure. To us, the incoming leaders, our journey begins now. May we lead with passion, empathy, and a commitment to representing and serving our student body. And to our outgoing council members, thank you for your tireless efforts and the mark you've left on the school community. As you pass the torch, let's strive for excellence and unity. Let us strive to be the change we wish to see in our school and beyond. Thank you once again for being part of today's ceremony. Here's to a success year ahead. With that, I officially conclude the Student Council turnover ceremony. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Finally, to officially adjourn our program, may I call on Mr. Lowell Obis Obrero, the Vice President of BOU Student Council for academic year 2023-24.
It has been moved by our Secretary, Ms. Preciosa Banania. Any second? Okay.
Please second the motion.
By the authority of the 2024 President, Dr. Froilan Mobo, and the power vested in me as the 2024 Vice President of the Bicol University Open University Student Council, I now declare this turnover and oath-taking ceremonies adjourned.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your participation and congratulations to our new officers. Please don't go yet. I'd like everyone to open their camera for our photo ops. Please open your cameras. Please open po your cameras. Ready? 1, 2. Smile. Okay, wait for a while. Oh. Opo, ni-record po, sir. Okay, for the next page, please open your cameras. Ready? 1, 2. Smile. Ay, wait lang po, sir. Ay. Dahil po muna mag-go, may ano pa po, may advice pa po from our SC advisors. Standby po.
Kailangan na po. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ayun, share lang. Sir Mobo. Okay.
Sir Mobo, we have a request here. Sir Mobo, we have a request here. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir, I can hear you po.
Sir, please raise your hand po para po sa documentation nung take out po ninyo.
Parang bigay.
Ay, Sir Mobo po yung main control. Sir Mobo, please pin yourself para mas ma-zoom po yung ano po ninyo. Yan, okay, sir. Yan, okay. And then
Taas yung right now.
please put your right hand up, sir. Yan.
Ano ipin suduan siguro?
Okay, saro lang, sir.
Si Mertungan si Bartulatay, taas din ang kamay.
Sir Mert, are you there? Sir, put your right hand up para makita po natin sa screen. And the other officers po, please put your right hand. Raise your right hand. Okay, picture po. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa? Sige lang.
Po. Okay na, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you po. All done po, all done. Thank you po. Congratulations po for the new officers. Hi, sir. Sir Marks.
Nawala.
Po.
Congratulations.
Mona.
Sa Tagaytay.
Congratulations.
Congrats po sa lahat.
Congratulations po.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you po.
Congrats all.
Congrats po sa lahat.
Sermon, see you sa pagbalik ko, Sermon. Mag-meeting tayo, Sermon.
Sermon.
Pasalubong ka daw, Sermon.
Sermon.
Ala.
Sermon. Nasaan ko na sa budget?
Na, sige.
Oo, maski sa luwas na lang kasi kayo sa maghalat pa kamo dyan.
Salamat, Jay. Salamat.
Sorry na, busy yun kaya ako. Nag-construction dig sa arong.
Okay, thank you everyone. This concludes our turnover and oath-taking ceremonies. Please join us, those who are here, for some refreshments. Have a great day. Thank you and God bless everyone.
Thank you po.